What if every student had the chance to discover their inner engineer, scientist, or innovator? At Treobytes, we make that possible. Our STEMfaire program brings physics and engineering to life. Students design, build, and test projects that highlight real-world STEM concepts, from motion and energy to problem-solving and teamwork. With our CAD, engineering tools, and prototyping program, students explore 3D modeling, hands-on prototyping, and professional engineering tools and techniques. They transform ideas into reality through design challenges that strengthen math, measurement, and critical thinking skills. Treobytes lowers barriers to STEM participation with transformative learning experiences designed for all learners. Students gain confidence, creativity, and collaboration skills while preparing for future college and career pathways. From robotics and coding to STEM career connections, Treobytes offers a full suite of programs that bring industry-based knowledge to schools. Bring Treobytes to your school. Together we'll inspire the next generation of problem solvers and innovators.